Hi students, now we are discussing the chapter coal and petroleum. Today we are going to discuss about the fossil fuel petroleum. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. Petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycle, scooter and car. Diesel is used as a fuel in heavy motor vehicles such as trucks and tractors. It is believed that petroleum is formed by the anaerobic decomposition of sea animals which got buried in the seabed millions of years ago. Anaerobic decomposition means the decomposition of materials in the absence of air or oxygen. In this manner, petroleum and natural gas are formed. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid with an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil and paraffin wax. Refining of petroleum. What is refining of petroleum? The process of separating the various constituents or components of petroleum is known as refining of petroleum. The process of separating the various components of petroleum is known as refining of petroleum. Petroleum refining is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Here you can see one such petroleum refinery. In this you can see the constituents or components of petroleum and their uses. First component is LPG or liquefied petroleum gas. That is petroleum gas in liquid form, that is called LPG or liquefied petroleum gas. Uses: fuel for home and industry. Second one is petrol. Petrol is used in as a motor fuel and it is used as aviation fuel and it is used as a solvent for dry cleaning clothes. Third one is kerosene. Uses are fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircrafts. Diesel. Diesel is used as a fuel for heavy motor vehicles and it is used in electric generators. Lubricating oil, that is used for lubrication purposes of machine parts and in vehicles also. Paraffin wax, it is used for the preparation of ointments, candles and it is used for the preparation of Vaseline, or Vaseline is actually paraffin wax. Bitumen. Bitumen is used for the preparation of paints and it is used for road surfacing. What are petrochemicals? Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These useful substances are termed as petrochemicals. The useful substances obtained from petroleum and natural gas are called petrochemicals. Uses of petrochemicals. Petrochemicals are used in the manufacture of detergents, synthetic fibers such as polyester, nylon and acrylic, and it is used in the manufacture of polythene and other artificial or man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas is obtained from natural gas, that is used in the production of fertilizers, that is mainly urea. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers such as urea. Why petroleum is called black gold? Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called as black gold. Natural gas. Natural gas, as you know, it is one important fossil fuel and it is easy to transport it through pipes. What is CNG? CNG is compressed natural gas. When natural gas stored under high pressure, we can call it as compressed natural gas. It is used for power generation and it is used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. In Delhi and all the vehicles are using CNG or compressed natural gas because it is less polluting. And because of its less polluting nature, we can call it as a cleaner fuel. Name on cleaner fuel. What you will write? Yes, CNG or compressed natural gas. CNG can be used directly for burning in homes and factories. It can be supplied through pipes and is used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. Natural gas in India. Natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta regions in India. Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta regions in India.